and the Holy Spirit.
President Lobani Bush International Jim Rhodes yes abalebe Itunga lo United States na America kes etukuntosi sirigini lu ebokere Agilon kere.
Joe Garcia, the congregation, and the Gateway Mission Fund were behind getting these funds together so this village could have a source of clean water.
Actually, Biani, we are jacking Agilon uni. Ochalo inu rasi uni. Chalo inu era eje adopete mukongoro, eje adopete kanyumu, adopete ajai kumi. Ekapun to sama sana gira adopete gilo ebokyo ekapun edote na kaiso uni.
Apollo Kinto Yonget Lo, Eric Sabiti, Alinda, Abu Lipitungalu, and Medauto. I gang a program keda akanini kere.
We have been able to drill 34 wells in the area of Kumi and Ngora. We have
please always work with the community to make sure that they maintain this borehole. Some people who want to come and take the water but they don't want to pay the small money.
Sometimes also the water users, they use the bad language towards these people who are keeping, towards the committee, and yet these people are just doing voluntary work. They are not paid. Members, let's cooperate and work together. Eso mata nepepe kingite committee ngiti kapunu bikoto ni kapuno gilo. Please ole mi kapunu jodake daina para. Kilo tote sa temarebe imam mamusoile muni kapunesi kwani wanyineti chai. Moine monaro regilo ijaberu nesilo saimoni ijasaki. Ijo nesi moi Bible betoronga o meakipi. Ejasi ngunu lwe baka ilwa tukubela. Sikesi moro ete committee are caretaker. This people Itunga lumame tacho isoma ite Itunga titi. Irwani na ipuna ilo senene so idili tungate marebe yonga ka musiri na mua koto boki ne gilo. Atena ojene toni chutebe gilo you cannot dictate boboki si kujo etoyaro boki so space ara ikujoro ngatare ba musiri na mebuani konye reine sinelo munai amusiri na to
kanu ati iskal bat edai somero alaja makapra mare school kote mukongoro ko kumi this water is life.